Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most amazing and beautiful designs of crochet scarves. You will see very attractive and beautiful color schemes in these designs. All of these patterns are beginner friendly, as you can see. These designs are having a double crochet stitch as major stitch used in them, and single crochet stitch or half double crochet stitch is also used in most of the designs, and different patterns are made using these stitches of crochet work. And you can see all of these designs are made with 7 to 8 contrasting color schemes. Multicolor designs are also included in this video, like this one. So if you are a lover of multicolor yarn, you will find very attractive and gorgeous multicolors used in these scarves as well. So just watch this video till the end to get all ideas, because all of the ideas are very unique and attractive, especially their making patterns, which are super beginner friendly and quick to make as well. These designs are all having very attractive and beautiful long fringes or tassel work as well, and you will see simple designs without any tassel work as well. So that's up to you. If you are a lover of tassel work or fringes, then you can add on these fringes or tassels, and you can have simple scarves without these fringes as well, or you can make these beautiful crochet fringes as well, which are made with chain and a single crochet stitch. So that's up to you. S- all types of ideas are included, and you will find all types of ideas in this video, having different contrasting color schemes, different sizes, different patterns. You will see chain loop patterns in most of the designs as well, like the previous one, which are kind of summer designs. So these are for light seasons like autumn or spring. So these designs can also be made with 4-ply yarn and can be used in less cold season. So that's up to you. Most of the designs which I have included in this video can be used in summers and in winters as well. All you need to do is just changing the yarn type. Use 3-ply yarn if you want to make scarf for your summer, and use 4-ply yarn if you want to make the scarf for winters. So just use different sizes of crochet hooks and make your lovely scarf by yourself at home. Many of the patterns videos are available on my channel, and if you are interested in seeing full tutorial video of crochet scarf, do let me know in the comments as well. I have uploaded pocket scarves ideas on my channel already. I have a bunch of pocket scarves and shawls tutorial videos available on my channel. You can check them out as well. If you are new, press the red subscribe button to get tutorial videos and ideas videos of these kinds of amazing crochet products, and just share this video with other handmade products lovers in your circle as well. Stay connected. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.